sensibility and practicality define the 2008 BMW 328. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, front and rear reading lights, front and rear cup holders, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.